here's the best way to capture any audio on Mac in 2026 completely for free. First of all, head over to litpads.app/litlink. Then download a free copy of LitLink by simply clicking here on download free. Then install it and open it up. Once opened up, make sure that system audio pass-through right here is toggled on. Then scroll down a bit and click on where it says record right here. Your Mac system audio is now recorded, and it doesn't really matter if it is music coming from YouTube or maybe you're simply recording a Zoom call. Whatever audio is playing on your Mac is now captured successfully. Let me quickly show you an example. We are now here on YouTube, and let's suppose we would like to record this song right here. So with our recording on right here, we would simply need to make sure that the audio is playing right here. So let me do that. And this has now been recorded. It's that simple. So let us go back to LitLink now and stop the recording. And boom, we have the final recording right here now. So now let us verify this real quick. So I've opened this up in Adobe Audition, but you can obviously use whatever audio player you want for that. And here's all the audio that we just recorded. In fact, in our recording right here, we also have the microphone included. And that is because in LitLink I had mic pass-through here enabled as well. So in case you would just like to record audio on Mac without recording any mic at all, then simply make sure that enable mic pass-through here is toggled off when recording. And in that case, simply your system audio will be recorded. Just remember, you need to make sure that this here is toggled on, of course. And finally, to prove my point, here's the audio that we just recorded. And that's it, guys. This is the best way to capture audio on Mac in 2026 completely for free and without any hassle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.